Welcome to my channel. Today we will speak about Ulenzi and maybe the best streaming company out there, like in a budget friendly way, because yeah, maybe Elgato it's one of the best. But today I want to present you something really interesting, and maybe you don't even heard about this amazing company, and I will tell you everything you need to know. This is not a sponsored video. I will tell you a short story, and yeah, we will see something really interesting because something has happened with them. Like, yeah, I was with a bad experience about the the transport firm that sent me their products, and they was so kind, and yeah, they sent me a box with the products back to me, and yeah, we have the damaged package back, and they don't hesitate like even 10 seconds to say something else than okay, hope you agree to send you another products of us, and they also excuse for the courier. And yeah, this is so interesting. So today we will have practically an unboxing about the best LED panels for YouTube channel out there, and yeah, it's $50 or something like that. I got them on Black Friday, and should know about them because they're so great. So let me switch the scenes, and we will have a point view down on my desk, and we will see what we have inside of the box. I will tell you everything about these awesome LED panels, and yeah, are so great, and I like them so much. Okay, this is the box. It's kinda big. I will make a cut here, and I will take out the products from this box. Come on, it's kinda hard to take it out because I don't have too much space, to be honest with you. And yeah, I will take out the products one by one, and I will put them on the table. Let me just grab this. So the first one is this, and I will tell you also the story about this one, and hope this will be good, but we will see. And yeah, we have here the big guy, which is so interesting. Let me try to cut this part also. Okay, so here we go. This is it. It's kind of big, but again, as you can see, the courier, it's not that kindness to send this product in the perfect shape, but yeah, hope to be enough, and hope to have a good product this time. As you know, all the products are with this sticky thing because they are brand new. Oh, come on. So let's see what we have inside of the box. As you noticed, it's K20, and it's the LED key light from Vijim, but it's Ulenzi. It's their product. So let's open the box and let's see what it's inside. Okay, so we open the box, and we have so awesome materials, like to protect the lights, As you can see, we have here a manual with a lot of informations, but you don't need them because it's so fast, like you plug and play like this. So this is the light, and seems to be fine. This is the panel, looks amazing. Like, yeah, you cannot see the lights to this. I will show you right now a video with these panels to see how they are when they are open. So yeah, and this is the back of the panel. Here it's a magnetic remote. You will see in a second when I will get to that remote. So this is the remote. You can stick her, like you can take this magnet and put it on a surface, and you can stick this remote there. But you have also the option, and I think this is the best one, to put the remote here, and will be in place. So as you can see, stays there. So yeah, the magnet, it's good. It's maybe the best position for this remote, it's to have there. So yeah, next thing, we have an USB Type-C cable. This goes here in this hole, and this will go into your plug to power on this key light. And we have also a tripod. It's full of stuffs in here, so yeah, that's why I like them so much. A lot of good stuffs. And yeah, I have 3 of these right now because I will tell you the story, but let's focus on this tripod. It's a telescopic one. As you can see, you can make him bigger, and it's kind of good stuff in here. It's metal, this is a plastic thing, but it's solid. So yeah, everything, it's perfect. Look, even this mesh from here, it's a rubber. As you can see, you can move this light where you want. So to mount this, you need to take the table mount from here, which is this one. It's heavy, like so heavy. And after you put this one into your table, like to fix it, you can after that put this here. And there you go. This is all you need to do. After that, you just mount these key lights, the best on the market right now, trust me. I have 2 of them now, and you can mount them like in this way, because as you can see, it's a hole here. And also you can mount them in this way, because it's here also a hole. So yeah, you have a portrait or a landscape for this amazing super budget friendly lights. And now let's get back to the part 2 of this video, why I think Ulanzi it's one of the best on the market right now, because their products are so good. I got a defective LT002 7-inch pocket video light, maybe from again the courier, because the shipment was so bad with my key light, and yeah, was broke. And this one was also bad with the buttons from here. So yeah, as you can see, we have here a brand new, and we will speak about this key light in another video, but today I just wanted to share you my thoughts about Ulanzi. I spent $130 on 2 key lights and this little guy from here, and yeah, just one key light was working, and because of the shipment was so bad, they just give me replacement immediately. And this is a strong company. They don't think about money, they think about customers. And yeah, they got me like a customer for a lifetime. I put my trust in Ulanzi. I think they have really good products, like this key light from here. Let me turn him on. As you can see, we have something really nice to play with it when I don't know, maybe make products shoots and you need some RGB light to be here. As you can see, so nice. Look at my hand. And yeah, I like so much their products. And after what they did for me, I was feeling like, hey, I really need to say some words about Ulanzi and how they act with me. I think it's the most good customer care I saw in the last couple of years, and I will be 100% going back there to buy their products again. If you want to buy the best out of the best key lights, and it's a budget friendly one, you get also the telescopic arm, the tripod for the key lights in the same price. And yeah, this is just amazing. So yeah, I will close this box, and this should be the video. If you want to buy the best products in the market right now, go for Ulanzi. You have the best products out there. Don't be scared if you will see this Vijim, I don't know how to call it, but it's the same product from there. So the mother company, it's Ulanzi. Now let's just compare this key light with this one. Oh my god, this is so heavy. Like my hand, it's shaking right now because I keep in my hand for, I don't know, maybe 1 minute to speak what I have to say about this key light. And this is heavy, like so heavy. Just hear this and hear this. It's, yeah, I cannot say how heavy is this, but I think it's like 1 kilogram, and this is just 200 grams or something like that, because it's so slim. And yeah, and this is so hard to work with it, because yeah, you need to have a strong tripod, you need to fix it all the time with these things. Oh, it's so bad. And yeah, as you can see, it's, yeah, kind of ugly. You need to play with these knobs from here instead of this little thing from here. So yeah, let me know what you think. But to be honest, this company, it's one of the worst experience I have with them. Also the mic is from newer, but I will change it soon because I don't like this company too much right now. They sell products for a lot of money, and they are just, I don't know how to say this, but I will go all in with this kind of products, slim and nice, and also good customer cares than these ones. So yeah, all in Ulanzi, this is the best what you can buy in 2024 for YouTube channels, like to have key lights to make streaming and stuff like that. So if you want to have this awesome thing, go for it. This is so bad, and yeah, a lot of space to put the tripod, because you need a super heavy tripod. It's not that super easy to mount tripod on your table, and that's it. So yeah, think about it, but I put here 2 options. Don't buy this one, like I swear, don't buy this one again, it's not good, but these key lights are so great. So yeah, this is all for today. Thanks for watching, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you in another video. Peace.